of oil. Now we're going to add the fuse back to the fuel pump, and we'll prime the fuel pump. It's just this little 3 amp fuse. Alright, so now when we turn this to run, we should hear the fuel pump kick in quite noisily until it primes. So let's see. It's installed right here, so we should hear a clackety, clackety, clackety. Let's see if our fuel filter is getting some fuel. Looks like we're getting some fuel in there. Filling up. Ooh, quieted down. Now we should be getting some gas up here. Alright, here we go. Alright, went about how I thought it would go. Guess we got some thinking to do. Guess the question is, are we getting a spark? And we're actually not getting a spark because I forgot to hook this up. Let's try again. I hear a little bit of a catch. It smells like some gas going on in there. Yeah, I guess I didn't expect it to fire right up, but it's a little disappointing. So this is an interesting little device. I'm trying to deduce whether I have a spark problem, and this is actually a spark tester. And the way that this works is you put this end on a spark plug, and then you basically put this in line with your ignition coil, and when you go to start the car and the distributor spins every time it sends a spark, every time it sends current to the spark plug, it actually lights up a little bulb in there. And so you can tell if your distributor is sending spark to a spark plug. So, you know, some people will pull out the spark plug and they'll put it against the engine block, but I thought I'd give this a try. It wasn't too expensive, and it seems like it's you know, a tool for the job. So we'll see how it goes. 9 p.m. I've been fighting with this engine all afternoon. It's about to start. It wants to start. It is so close. I'm gonna give this one more shot. See if we can make it go. It's going. It wants to go. It wants to go. Very close. Working. Running. We're gonna have to take her for a run around the block, maybe? I think maybe. A little bit of smoking going on. Just a little bit of fuel override. Take it for a spin. Clutch isn't working. First thing to figure out. Stalled it. So the clutch isn't working. Definitely doesn't like reverse. replace reverse gear at some point. Alright, well, the brakes sort of work, the clutch does not work. But it starts. Oh boy. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Alright, well, we're getting somewhere. I suspect that reverse is going to be a problem, but maybe we can get the clutch working at least. I mean, you kind of do, but... Alright, well, that's amazing. 6 months. Still needs work, but it's getting there. Take care of that fuel leak.